Crypto slang is crazy. It's a brave new world, and I'm gonna help you clear the fog. I'm Tyler Kroll, and this is Brass Tacks Living, a channel dedicated to simplifying the complex so you can take action and enrich your life. Stick around to the end of the video where I show you how to get a free guide to altcoins. Today's word of the day is WAGMI, or we're all gonna make it. I love this one because it makes me feel just so good. This is everywhere in Telegram rooms, especially when the price of a project is fading or there's some new alpha out there that only the chat room knows about. WAGMI is the rally cry. It's a hype phrase. It's a confidence booster to the community, and it helps the mob not lose hope. It's also the name of a meme coin, but most people aren't referring to the token when they call this out in the chat. But let's be honest, trading in general and crypto specifically is a zero-sum game. That means for every winner, there's a loser. And for every person in profit, there's someone in a loss. Even with automated market making and trading against a liquidity pool instead of on an open exchange, your selling or buying impacts the bonding curve, and that change in price absolutely has an impact on the next person to buy or sell. So just because you're not selling to someone directly or buying from somebody directly, you are impacting the price the next person is going to have to pay. The corollary to WAGMI is NGMI, or not gonna make it. For everyone that makes it, someone else is NGMI. So there's that too. But come on fam, WAGMI! I mentioned at the beginning, a free guide to finding and evaluating altcoins. We've put together a comprehensive guide to help you find and evaluate your next altcoin gem. You can find it on our website. The link is below and in the description. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what other jargon you want to see in the comments, and I'll see you on the next video.